Hello students, now we'll be discussing the next logic circuit, encoder. We all know that computer works on binary form of numbers. Hence the number entered in decimal or any other numeral needs to be converted into binary. For this, encoders are used. So, a logic circuit that is used to convert a number from any base to binary is known as encoder. Here we will be discussing octal to binary encoder. An octal number is represented by the base 8, that is digits from 0 to 7. The highest octal digit 7 has its binary equivalent as 111. So binary output corresponding to any octal digit can have at most 3 bits. Hence 3 OR gates are used to give the output. First we will be seeing what is the binary equivalent of the various octal digits. This is a small table which I have made for the octal number and its binary output. When the octal number is 0, the binary output is 000. When the octal number is 1, the binary output is 001. We have taken it in 3-bit form. I hope you remember how to convert an octal number to its binary equivalent. If an octal number is 2, the binary output will be 010. If the octal number is 3, it will be 011. If it is 4, then the output is 100. If it is 5, then it is 101. If it is 6, then it is 110. And if it is 7, the output is 111. Now we come over to the octal to binary encoder circuit. Now look at this circuit closely. As you can see, I have written all the octal numbers on the left from 0 to 7 and I have made switches in front of it. In front of 0 there is a switch, in front of 1 there is a switch. And for the output I have made 3 OR gates. Why 3 OR gates? Because a maximum of 3 digits is converted. An octal number is converted to a maximum of 3 binary digits. So, in front of 0, I have not joined the 0 to any of the OR gates. Look there, the line 0, the switch of 0 is blank. There is no dot, there is no line starting from the 0 line and joining in the output. Why? Because the equivalent of 0 is 000. Whenever the equivalent is 1, it will be joined to the OR gate. Whenever an equivalent is 0, it will not be joined. Look here, I will write here. 0 means 000. That means false for all the 3 outputs. 1 means 001. That means true for the third output. So I have not joined here. I have not joined here. I have joined only in the third one. 2 means 010. That means in the second output it is true. So in front of 2 it is joining only the second output. 3 means 011. So it is not joining here, it is joining here as well as here. Understood? Then 4 means 100. It will be joining the first output because it is true here and false in the rest of the 2. So 4 is joining the first output. 5 means 101. That means joining the first and the third output. See here. 6 means 4 and 2. That means joining the first 2 and the third one is false. 7 means 111. So joining all the 3 outputs. I hope the circuit to form octal to binary encoder is clear to you. Please go through it once again, and if you have any doubts, we'll discuss it again in the doubt class.